Introducing Self-Serve from ADNOC Distribution. This instructional video, with some help from our friends, will guide you through the 4 simple steps of self-serve so you can fuel your own vehicle safely and smoothly. When you arrive at the service station, please choose one of the clearly marked self-serve lanes.
Over there, on the upper lane.
Stop your vehicle and switch off your engine. Children and pets must remain inside the vehicle at all times.
Sorry, huh?
Before fueling, please touch the static discharge pad for 2 seconds. If you're paying by cash, please call the cashier to authorize your pump for the amount you wish to fill.
Only have 80 dirhams in cash.
Maybe you should bring more cash?
Well, I guess we'll use the card.
If you're paying by card, please insert your card and follow the instructions on screen. Open your fuel tank, select your grade and insert the nozzle. Flip the lever up and squeeze the trigger. Hold the nozzle throughout. It will stop automatically when full or at the chosen amount. Flip the lever down, return the nozzle and close your tank. For cash transactions, please settle directly with our cashier. If you're using card, you'll be charged automatically when fueling is complete. And that's it. The 4 simple steps to self-serve. Stop, authorize, fuel and pay. Rest assured, our staff are on hand to help you if you have any questions. Thank you for using self-serve from ADNOC Distribution.
How easy was that?
Very easy. Very easy.